as I started to get more tools and a little more into my projects, I needed to upgrade my dust collection. You'll see I've got a 5-gallon bucket with a dust separator on it. In addition to that, I got a vac switch that is sold from FastCap, and it's really, really nice, but it does give you power on demand. So when I want a vac turned on, and then I can turn it off with just a simple click of the button. I did have to kind of buy some additional connectors to connect the dust separator and then connect my planer. And you can even see over on my my miter saw that I've got an additional connection there. So that has really, really come in handy. I've got a couple different connectors that I use to kind of clean up the dust on the floor and really on my work surfaces, which has been good.